सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Electra Greentech Limited has received a letter of award (LOA) from Himachal Road Transport Corporation (HRTC) for the supply and maintenance of 297 electric buses. The order is valued at approximately 424.01 crore and is to be executed over 11 months. The buses will be sold outright to HRTC, and Electra will also provide maintenance services. This is a domestic order, and no promoter/promoter group/group companies have any interest in HRTC. Electra Greentech Limited has received a letter of award (LOA) from Himachal Road Transport Corporation (HRTC) for the supply and maintenance of 297 electric buses. The order is valued at approximately 424.01 crore and is to be executed over 11 months. The buses will be sold outright to HRTC, and Electra will also provide maintenance services. This is a domestic order, and no promoter/promoter group/group companies have any interest in HRTC. The transaction is not a related party transaction. Oriental Rail Infrastructure Limited has secured an order worth 3,98,94,428 rupees and 84 paise from Rail Coach Factory, RCF, Kapurthala, Indian Railways. The order involves manufacturing and supplying 26 sets of seats for LHB non-AC chair car coaches, 108-seater, by October 21, 2025 and 8 sets of seats for LHB second AC chair car coaches, 78-seater, by September 10, 2025. The payment terms are 95% against inspection certificate and proof of dispatch/delivery, and 5% after receipt and acceptance of goods. Asian Warehousing Limited has received a tender from the Food Corporation of India (FCI), Jaipur, under the PWS 2010 scheme. The order involves warehousing services for storing 9,240 metric tons of food grains at a rate of 7 rupees and 40 paise per quintal per month. This is a domestic order, and the execution timeframe will be determined by FCI, Jaipur. TVS Supply Chain Solutions Limited (TVS SCS) disclosed that its subsidiary, TVS SCS Global Freight Solutions Limited (TVS SCS GFS), received an order from the Hyderabad GST Commissionerate demanding a total of 11.63 crore in tax, interest, and penalty. The order relates to an audit conducted for the financial years 2018-19 to 2022-23. TVS SCS GFS plans to appeal the order and believes the claim is not maintainable, stating that there will be no material impact on the company's operations or financials. SRM Contractors Limited received an order from the Income Tax Department for 11,42,330 rupees under Section 154 of the Income Tax Act, 1961 due to a mismatch between claimed and allowed tax credits. The company states this order will not have a material impact on its operations. Kranti Industries Limited has received a purchase order worth approximately 6.84 crore from Bonfilioli Transmission Private Limited for the development of industrial machine parts, heavy-duty gearboxes. This marks Kranti Industries' entry into a new product segment. The order is from a domestic entity, and the execution timeline is as per the purchase order. Medico Remedies Limited has received a government supply order worth $1.9 million, approximately 16.32 crore, from Dominican Republic, Prami/Cal, to supply tablets, capsules, and dry syrups. Prami/Cal is responsible for centralized purchase and distribution of essential medicines for the public health sector in Dominican Republic. The order is expected to be completed within 3 months. Lesco Infratech Limited has received a letter of award from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited for 11,86,52,601 rupees. The contract is for last mile connectivity, LMC, direct marketing services, DMA, activity, and associated works for city gas distribution, CGD, in Bahraich. The contract is to be executed within 14 months and does not involve any interest from the promoter/promoter group/group companies. The contract is also not a related party transaction. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।